and welcome back to my channel. I'm V and this is Velitra Street TV. So anybody who is new, thank you for clicking on this video. For my returning subscribers and queens, as I call you guys, thank you for coming back. Okay, so jumping right in, today's gonna be a hair tutorial, as you can see, and what we're doing is Jamaican Bounce. So I've been planning on doing this forever, but I just haven't. So now's the time. It's like Thanksgiving-y, and I just love like curly, big, pretty hair for like Thanksgiving holiday times. I love big, curly, natural looking-ish hair. So that's what we're gonna do. I have the, what is this brand? Sensational. I'm gonna show y'all while I'm, Okay, I have is the Sensationnel Jamaican Bounce Crochet Braid in the color 2. So I got 4 packs of these and they're so pretty. Like, look at this. Let me show you. I'll show you the curl before we get started. That's the stock card for it. I got 4 packs of these and this is what the curls look like. So under here, my hair is already braided. So it's gonna be pretty quick. I just wanted to show you all. I got 3 number 2s and 1 350. I was feeling like adding a little bit of color in there, so I'm gonna put it somewhere up in the top or whatever like that, and then we'll see how it turns out. But let's see how many is in here. Let me give y'all as many details as I can. So it comes like this on the little thing, little braid twister thing, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 curls on each one. I'm gonna be splitting them in half. I'm not gonna leave them whole like this because I do want it to be pretty poofy or whatever. So I'm gonna be leaving them whole and then I'm gonna pull them apart in half. But I don't think I'm gonna break them up, like break them up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 braids. It's kind of parted like to the side. It was supposed to be middle part. Somebody else braided it, whatever. I don't care, I ain't worried about it. It's probably gonna be like cute that it's not like straight down the middle. So alright, y'all, this is what it looks like with 1 pack in. This is what it looks like not pulled out, which I'm not really feeling at all. And then I pulled this side out. So that's 1 pack. So let me add the next one and then I'll come back and let you see before I add the 3rd one in. Alright, y'all, this is what it looks like with 2 packs pulled out. Pretty full already, and I'm just about to do the next part. I'm going to mix the 350 and the black in the top. I was gonna do like 1 solid with the 350 on the top, but being that I haven't had color in a while, I don't think that's a good idea for this to just be sitting up here. I don't know, it actually might. What y'all think I should do? Not that I can hear y'all right now, but I feel like it would be cute like if I have my makeup done, but truth of the matter is, like, I don't wear makeup on a day-to-day basis, so I feel like it's gonna look stupid if I just, I don't know, I'm not sure. I was just gonna do like all this color at the top and puff it out. I'm still debating, I don't know. But I got 1 more number 2 and the 350. I was gonna mix it in, but I'm still kind of like not sure because This 350 is like fall, honey, fall, completely fall. Like you can't even get it mixed up. And I do like the number 2 because it's like more natural looking, but I don't know. I still can't. I don't know. Alright, y'all. I like it, but I feel like it is like too much hair. This is almost 4 packs. The only thing I didn't use is this here, and I just feel like it's too much. That's why I put it up in a ponytail, but as you can see, I left spaces, so this has to stay down to cover up the spaces that I left. But I still feel like this part can be like a lot more tamed. So I think I'm gonna go in and pull some hair out because it's just feeling like a bit much. But I definitely like love the curl though. Love the curl, but I feel like it is so much hair. And I spaced it out a lot. Like a lot. So I think I'm gonna pull some of this hair out or cut some of it out or whatever I gotta do, but it's too much hair. Right, so this is what it looks like down, and it is so freaking huge. I just don't see myself living a normal life like this. It's pretty, like the curls are pretty, but like really, no. I cannot wear it this huge, as pretty as it is. Like I just can't. And I normally like big hair. Like I really like big hair, but I feel like this is hair that your makeup literally has to be done every day for this to look good, and I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. I'm not about to do it. Especially when you add color, because it's like not natural color. Like this, I mean, it kind of is, but not really. Like to me, if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna wear it with like all one color hair. Like I'm gonna wear the number 2 by itself, and that's like, you know, natural, so I don't have to do my makeup or whatever. I can just whatever go. But with the 350 in it, I just don't. I feel like when you have color, it has to be like a whole look or it looks ratchet. So I don't know. Like I like the hair, but I don't like that it's so big. I probably shouldn't have split so many of them. And I don't like, I don't think I like how I requested to have my hair braided. I think I should have done it straight back so it was not so in my face. Since I had them braided down, the crochet is like right on my face, and I'm not liking that, but I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me. All right, y'all, I'm guessing this is it. I might cut it because I don't know, we'll see. I might cut it. I did want it to look just like fuzzy and natural, and that's why I didn't like, I only cut a couple pieces that were like long, like super long and out of place. But I did want it to just look kind of natural, like fall, wherever. That's pretty much what this hair looks like. I would recommend using 3 packs. I would like space out the back, like super space out the back. I spaced mine, but I feel like I could have spaced them more. Give you some more information about the hair. This hair is 26 inches. It's Connecticut flame retardant. It says easy crochet, has a little loop thing, hot water braid possible. I guess if you wanted to change the curl pattern, you could do that. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, hot water set. It says that you can re-rod it, set it. I don't know who want to do that, but whatever. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want more hair videos, which y'all probably do. I probably will be doing more hair videos. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this in because I'm not exactly happy with it right now, but we will see. So I don't know, but if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click your bell notification, that way when I upload you will not miss my videos. Don't forget to go shop VelitraStreetLashBoutique.com. Lashes, all lashes are 40% off right now, and the code for that is fall40. And what else? That's pretty much it. Oh yeah, the lashes that I'm wearing today are Faye. If you like the lashes that I'm wearing right now, these are Faye Luxury Mink Lashes on VelitraStreetLashBoutique.com. Okay, till next time, I will see y'all later. Bye.